Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages used to create interactive effects within web browsers. It's a versatile, lightweight, and high-level scripting language primarily used for adding functionality and interactivity to websites. Callbacks, a function passed as an argument to another function. Callbacks are executed after the completion of a task. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Function fetch data, callback. Set timeout equals, callback, data fetched. 1000, / simulates an asynchronous operation. Fetch data, message equals, console, log, message, / outputs, data fetched. Promises, a promise represents a value that may be available now, or in the future, or never. It provides methods like then, and, catch, to handle asynchronous results. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Let fetch data promise equals new promise, resolve. Reject equals, let success equals true. Set timeout equals, if, success. Resolve, data fetched successfully. Else, reject, error fetching data. 1000. Fetch data promise. Then, result equals console. Log, result, / if resolved. It logs, data fetched successfully. Catch, error equals console. Log, error, / if rejected. It logs, error fetching data. Async/await. This is a modern way to handle asynchronous code. It's built on top of promises and makes asynchronous code look more like synchronous code. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Async function fetch data. Try. Let result equals await new promise, resolve. Reject equals, set timeout equals resolve, data fetched. 1000. Console, log, result, / outputs, data fetched. Catch, error, console, log, error, error. Fetch data. Why is asynchronous programming important? Asynchronous programming helps in building responsive web applications that can perform multiple tasks without freezing the interface. It's commonly used for loading data from an API, interacting with databases, delayed actions, e.g., set timeouts. 10. JavaScript objects and arrays. Objects are collections of key-value pairs. In JavaScript, objects are used to store related data. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Let person equals, name, Alice. Age, 30. Greet, function. Return hello, plus this, name. Console, log, person, name, / outputs, Alice. Console, log, person, greet, / outputs, hello, Alice. Arrays store multiple values in a single variable. Each element in an array is accessed using an index. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Let fruits equals, apple, banana, cherry. Console, log, fruits, 0, / outputs, apple, fruits, push, orange, / adds orange to the array. Console, log, fruits, / outputs, apple, banana, cherry, orange. Common array methods. Push adds an element to the end of the array. Pop removes the last element from the array. Shift removes the first element from the array. Unshift adds an element to the beginning of the array. For each iterates over each element in the array. Example of for each. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Let numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers. For each function number. Console, log, number, / outputs each number in the array. 11. Error handling in JavaScript. In any program, errors can happen. JavaScript provides ways to handle errors to avoid crashes and unexpected behavior. Try, catch. This structure allows you to try code that might throw an error, and catch the error if one occurs. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Try. Let result equals 10/0. If result equals infinity, throw you can't divide by 0. Catch, error. Console, log, error caught, error. Throwing errors. You can create custom error messages using the throw keyword. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Function check age, if age 18. Throw new error, age must be 18 or older. Else. Console. Log, access granted. Try. Check age, 15. Catch, console. Log, error, message. / outputs, error, age must be 18 or older. Why is error handling important? Error handling ensures your JavaScript programs are robust and fault-tolerant. It helps avoid unexpected crashes and gives users meaningful feedback. 12. Working with external APIs. APIs, application programming interfaces, allow your Java SC. Here's a brief overview. 1. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a dynamic, interpreted programming language that runs in a web browser or on a server via Node.js. It allows developers to add interactive features to websites, such as form validation, animations, pop-up boxes, games, dynamic content updates. JavaScript was initially developed by Netscape as a means to make web pages interactive. It now powers the majority of web applications, and it's an essential part of web development, alongside HTML, structure, and CSS, styling. 2. Why is JavaScript important? Interactivity. JavaScript brings web pages to life with dynamic content. Versatility. It can be used both on the front end, in the browser, and on the back end, with Node.js. Community libraries. JavaScript has a massive developer community and a rich ecosystem of libraries, like React, Angular, and Vue.js, that speed up development. Cross-platform. It works across different browsers and devices, making it ideal for responsive design. 3. Basic syntax. JavaScript code is written in plain text and is inserted into an HTML document using the script tag. HTML. Saw check ma. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta char set equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width. Initial scale equals 1, 0 inch. Title JavaScript example / title / head. Body. H1 welcome to JavaScript / H1. Script. / this is a comment. Console. Log. Hello. World. / outputs text to the console. / script. / body. / HTML. 4. Basic concepts in JavaScript. Variables, used to store data that can be changed later. JavaScript. Saw check ma. Let name equals Alice. / variable declaration using let. Const age equals 25. / constant variable, cannot be changed. Data types. JavaScript has several data types, including strings, numbers, booleans, objects, and arrays. JavaScript.